Is your garage door panel damaged? In many cases, it can be repaired or replaced depending on the severity and type of damage, especially in Arlington, Texas, where seasonal wear plays a role. Panels often suffer damage from vehicle impact, harsh weather, poor maintenance, or age. If the damage is cosmetic and doesn't affect movement, repair is a viable option. However, replacement is necessary if the panel is cracked, warped, or outdated, or if multiple panels are compromised. Repair versus replacement depends on 3 factors: damage extent, panel availability, and overall door condition. Single panel replacement is possible but requires a good match in color and texture to maintain appearance. Delaying repairs can lead to misalignment, added strain on springs and tracks, safety hazards, and reduced curb appeal. DIY may seem tempting, but garage doors are complex systems. Mistakes can cause injuries or greater damage. For best results, contact a garage door repair professional. Prompt service ensures safety, functionality, and long-term value.